Can you hear me?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
So I just wanted to um, hmm, show you some examples. Okay. Now, before you get influenced with anything, uh, I don't want to sort of give you the names and designers' names and the project names. So, because I really don't want you to get sort of influenced by it. So I'll just quickly run through some visuals. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Yeah. Just to sort of
It's
yeah.
loading.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. They're just visuals, so we wait for them to come. Yeah, so
Yeah, it's here.
okay. What I would like to expose you to is the fact that apart from just, getting into the details of construction, getting into, really very minute nitty-gritties of making the structure, the loads, this climate, environment. Okay, I don't want you to get too bogged down by the whole thing. As a creative discipline, uh, architecture also happens intuitively. It happens with the study of the different kind of theories, ideologies. Okay, so as you move forward in your education, and when you're exposed to these different kind of theories, you yourself will understand where the base of your design is coming from. Okay, because you would have heard it, you would have listened to it, you would have read it. तो क्या हो जाता है ना तभी already subconscious mein some things start getting embedded. Okay, and when that happens very intuitively, when you begin, you take a paper and you take a pencil and you start sketching, you will find that that's the way that your design is getting evolved, or your design is getting formulated. Okay, so all these aspects that we are exposing you to, really detailed kind of things, the wind direction kahan se aa raha hai, sun ka path kaisa hai, and things like that. You will tell me, rightfully you can ask me, so if that is the case, only one kind of design can come out of it, right? Because you're saying, yeah, this is the best direction for the wind, therefore this has to be oriented in this fashion. There's no other way you can do it, and because of that, I can get only one solution out of the design, right? So that would be a right question. But like I said, when you start looking at all these aspects, right? Different kind, you guys are doing TOD, you guys are doing ADL, and the different kind of concepts that you're exposed to, different kind of examples that you're exposed to, maybe learning from those examples, learning from history, you will start to realize that you have a certain ideology for yourself. You develop that ideology for yourself. Like, say, for to speak very simplistically, is that if you look at modernism, right? And you'll find that yes, you are the kind of person who would want to follow what less is more was all about. Okay, but on the other hand, if if it was me in your place, and I would say that I really don't like this stark and banal kind of you know look, and I really don't agree with this kind of principle, and the way that I would go about doing it would be completely different, or would be slightly different, based on all these kind of ideologies, because I have been exposed to that. I have been reading about it. Okay. So, like I said, there will be no one solution, right? It is for you to develop your design thinking based on all these kind of things that you have been exposed to. Okay. So, let's look at these examples. Like I said, I'm not going to be giving you the names. I'm not going to be talking about which architect, what is ideology. वो सब मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. We are just going to enjoy looking at some of these visuals. Okay. They're mostly all about children center. Now, another thing I would like you to do is give me your comments. Huh? When you're looking at this visual, what comes to your mind first and foremost? Anyone?
A sense of spiralness of going round and round and round.
Okay, okay. Or
Yeah, sorry.
yeah,
No, you were Vinay, it's okay.
Yeah, so the connect with outside, like use of
glass in the construction.
Correct. और कुछ?
And that they are given more open space to children and have restricted the built area to a corner so that they have more open space to play and being
Okay.
out
Okay.
in the
Okay.
outside.
Right. और?
Or reflectivity, I mean.
Also, how they have incorporated the tree in the structure.
Right. Very good. Right. So now, anyone else wants to say anything? Okay. So let's look at the picture again. Okay. Now, when we go back to the comments that you have given me, Sahil said that there is this spiral kind of quality. Okay. Now, we don't know what exactly the design is about, but if you look at it from both the point of view of the openness, that glass has been introduced, there is an open space, and the spiral quality. If I club the fact that this place, in the time when it is exposed to rains, I could actually give a ramp or a track kind of a thing in within the structure where the kids could be running around. Okay, this is my idea. I don't know what the structure is about. Where the kids could be running up and down that ramp, of course, a safe kind of a thing, so that they feel like they are in the outdoors, in spite of the fact that they're not. Also, the glass is adding to that quality ki bhai, you can see outside, so you don't feel that you're confined in a closed space. Because kids need that openness. Kids need to be running around. They need to be jumping around. They've got high levels of energy, right? So all that, I mean, this kind of structure is addressing all that. Also, it's under this nice huge tree. It's shaded there. So that means in spite of the glass that has been used, you're ensuring that it's going to remain in the shade for most of the day or most of the year. Okay. So automatically these things that you guys have already studied is coming into it. You can see some of the windows are openable. They pivoted from top, तो वो खुल रहे हैं. अभी pivot है, इसका मतलब है कि वो बारिश नहीं आने वाला है, because it's going to act like a sloping kind of a छज्जा automatically, but it's also going to allow for ventilation. And you see that the other panes, if you observe, इधर है मेरा pointer, other panes if you observe are fixed. हाँ, इनको frame नहीं है, दिख रहा है ये सब, इसमें frame नहीं है. Okay, so that means only some of these shutters can open. Okay, of course, then they're exposed completely to the outside. There's a little bit of water. There's a lot of open ground for them to play in. It's not heavily landscaped or something, paid or sub. So there's no kind of obstacles in between, because there also looks like using it as an open classroom, correct? Because of the benches here, but there are different play areas. So now, are you getting a gist of what I am trying to say here?
Yes.
So that is what is important. Now, when you study about the different kind of vegetation, different trees, you will get into the species, you will get into the kind of foliage that is that each one of them has, or a family of the tree has. Okay, one of the largest canopies that I know of is of the rain tree. हमारे पास भी rain tree है इधर इसके बाहर, college के बाहर. Okay, so if you look at the rain tree, that the canopy of the rain tree is huge. That means you can really sort of easily fit a structure like this under that tree. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, once you get exposed to this, there is a hedge here, right? ये थोड़ा बैरियर तो है ही कि कोई बच्चा चढ़ के बाहर नहीं निकल पाएगा, but it's not left there very stark. There is a soft kind of barrier that has been introduced as well. Okay, so try and observe all these things, and then you have to look at the project holistically. In the second year, I would like you to go from whole to part, as my brief says. Okay, what we've written in the IDS brief. In the first year, we are going from part to whole. If you remember, we introduced you to the different elements. एक एक एलिमेंट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. कॉलम बताया, फिर बीम बताया, फिर जॉइस्ट बताया, फिर स्लैब बताया. वो सब बटोर के साथ में हम लोग ने स्ट्रक्चर बनाया. अभी हम लोग बड़े हो गए हैं, तो वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम whole to part. Okay, so I want you to envisage or envision your project as a whole, and then get down to all the different elements and break it into these smaller things. Have you understood?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you know. Now have you got an idea of what the IDS is all about? This is what it is. That's what the brief says. We are moving. We have been exposed to the different systems, the different principles that those systems are based on, and now we are going to move from that, start looking at it. Okay? Now another project. हाँ? इसमें comments बताओ.
Who, acting as pathway.
Pathway. Okay. Neil, you want to say something?
वहाँ पे पाथवे के बीच बीच में उन्होंने मतलब सनलाइट नीचे जाने के लिए ये किए मतलब
Okay.
क्या
Okay.
स्काईलाइट है
Okay. Or
Yeah.
Also, you are constantly watching what's happening in the middle, so you are always engaged. I
Yes.
mean, like, you don't feel as bored or
okay.
so, like, whatever activity is happening in the middle, you are constantly watching it.
Correct. Anything else?
There is a connect between the ground and the roof. Like it is a place to like the library, the Samip Padora library.
हाँ. Correct. Correct. वो भी actually example आया था when I was looking up over here, but I thought that you guys are already. I mean, you're aware of it. So, yes. Yes, that's right. Anything else? Kshitij, Rutik.
The structure feels a lot open and like I don't know, but if I were here, I would spend most of my time on the roof or on the center ground.
है ना? ऐसा ही है ना? Right? So we are looking at the psychology of the kids here. It's very clear that that they're trying to bring in this kind of environment where there's complete freedom given to the kids. They can go up, they can run around. There's a railing on either side, so there's no chance of them falling off that railing. Okay, of course
Also,
there are. Yeah,
also it allows them to observe their surrounding or from the roof,
correct,
be
correct,
aware of everything.
correct. So in no sense these children are going to feel confined. अभी पूरा दिन तो छत पे नहीं रहेंगे. That's a given. I mean, they are going to have to go down and be confined for certain periods of time, right? Unless this is a plain complete activity center and it's not a school. But otherwise, they would be spending certain time in confined spaces, which is not an issue. Okay? एक second, ना शांतनु को meeting start करने में problem. And have you all faced this problem, any of you? It says, we ran into a problem, try again in a few minutes. Is it internet connection?
Yes, yes, I
It's
guess. I like you could leave the
Is
meeting
it
and
on
join
your
it.
Huh?
sometimes does it on your phone? Maybe you join again because it happened to me once. So
So
it
you
was not,
restart and joined again.
yeah, like you leave the meeting, quit Teams and then join again.
Okay, okay. I told him, let's take it. Yeah, yeah. So let's continue. बोलो और क्या observations हैं?
There are those cuboidal, I think skylights.
Skylights.
Hmm.
Yeah, but they are quite an obstruction. I feel. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Yes, you might think that they're an obstruction. That's right, because you'll and the short heights of those skylights now will tempt kids to jump all over them. I'm telling you for sure. इधर से उधर
Yeah.
हाई जंप खेलेंगे, सब करेंगे ड्रामा. So that's a temptation. I mean, I wish that the architect had designed it as such. कि करो भाई, तुमको jump करना है ना तो करो, and then you ensure that there is some soft space around it. If they jump and they fall, they don't really hurt themselves. So that could have been one interesting thing. But yes, you cannot stop kids from jumping at all. No way. Okay. So and they should be allowed to do it according
Kids
to me.
And
constantly be thinking क्या हो रहा है, like interrogating. I feel
हाँ.
and वन थिंग व्हाट आई फील इज जब भी मतलब बच्चे जैसे भागते रहते हैं जो भी उनका रेस्ट स्पेस होगा वो यूजुअली पीछे के साइड पे होगा जहाँ पे ट्रीज का फॉलिएज बहुत ज्यादा है क्योंकि दे हैव
हाँ.
टू गेट आउट ऑफ सन एंड सिट
Correct.
इन शेड
Correct.
फॉर रेस्टिंग.
Abhi, from this area, from what I can see, looks like it's a cold place. Okay, so people want to be in the sun and want to stay warm.
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah,
these places people just die for the sun, and they
sun.
die to have a little bit of warmth. And even during this Corona period, I have heard कि थोड़ा भी sun निकल आया ना, they didn't bother about the pandemic. They all came out of their houses because it's really depressing. Northern latitudes में sun sets very early. 3-4 बजे अंधेरा हो जाता है. So it's very
Yeah,
depressing for those people. So a little bit of sunlight they get, they like to enjoy. So this architect has balanced that very clearly because there is
yes.
foliage on one part and openness on the other part. Okay. Anything else, or can we go to the next one? There is a slight slope, okay, to all this. So I don't know why they're all sloping different directions. Maybe ज़्यादा बारिश है ही नहीं, so कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है in which direction you know, when it rains here, which direction all that water is going to go, पता नहीं. So looks like यहाँ पे rain कम है और frost है. So it just takes care of all the frost sliding off the skylight so that you still get some light inside. This is what I'm
Also,
concluding.
also
I have no
this
idea.
structure is a lot similar to the Maritime Youth House by B.R. Angels. So he used a roof to like
Yeah,
allow
yeah,
kids to play on it.
yeah,
I,
yeah,
I saw one picture.
yeah. He's very good. I really like the way because I think उसका पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी एम्बेडेड रहता है डिजाइन में. हम लोग ये जो सेग्रीगेशन करते आ रहे हैं ना इतने सालों से, डिजाइन अलग टेक्नोलॉजी अलग, एंड याकी एंगल्स हैज गॉट अ फैंटास्टिक वे of having that technology embedded in his design completely. अलग अलग है ही
या
नहीं मतलब कुछ.
अगर आप
Yes,
कोई उसकी बिल्डिंग देखे तो बता सकते हैं कि ये उसकी है, वो
yes, correct,
एक
correct.
सेकंड में समझ जाता है.
Have you listened to his TED Talks? His TED Talks are also very interesting.
There was one episode on Netflix, like Abstract series में उसका एक episode था.
Okay. Very good, very good. You can
Ritik,
put the
you
link
can
of
you put the
Yeah,
name of
yeah.
the architect in the
I
chat?
will. Yeah.
Very good. I'm glad that all you guys are, interested in this. Sometimes you find students really are not interested. It's very difficult to then motivate them. This is in some resort. It has a children's play center within the resort. Okay. And look at the way that the material has been used. Look at the way the spaces have been created. This is so much fun, to get into this kind of balloon and sit here and hang around and have fun. Again, there are a lot of levels for kids to play with, but everything is bamboo and timber, तो ज़्यादा ना चोट नहीं लग सकती है. You understand? It's quite safe to be doing all this. Okay. This is an interior picture, so not too much of climatic or light kind of things that we can study, but I just like the way that the whole assembly has been done of this. Any
Yeah,
comments on this?
you would
just
hit your head if you walk through that part where the balloon structure is
Yeah,
located.
right. Yeah. So they want you to crouch down and then get into the space. That's the element of that's the difficulty level in the game.
I think they
Yeah,
are making the whole
That looks
structure of
like a bird's nest kind of a thing. The confined bird's nest where you enter into.
Weaver bird kind of thing, na? But
Yeah, yeah,
horizontal one. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Very interesting. Here again, something on the roof. Okay. So complete freedom for the kids. They're jumping around, they're getting into the net, right? You can see that. Again, I don't know which climate this is coming from. So they're open, they're exposed to the sun. They've given this, okay, naam likha hai there, you can look it up. So, I mean, even the roof can be used as a play area, right? There is a railing there at the back to protect them.
Mamta,
Yeah,
in the previous, the electrical wires are like really near this thing, like the structure, I guess, na?
right.
Yeah,
ये ना
that would be a problem, yeah,
हाँ
for
तो
kids.
ये इलेक्ट्रिक है या कुछ टेंशन वाले हैं but this will be high up I think these kids will not be able to reach up there maybe
But
देखना
it
पड़ेगा
looks
check out करना पड़ेगा
high
yeah
power. Yeah.
high power okay or it's not tension cables ना you know where
One
some
thing,
yeah
one thing that I am, getting a thought of looking at the staircase that is behind is, if there's a space for children, I think that getting into too many level differences can be fun because children like going up and down all the time
yes
and not playing
yes
on the same level. Like
right
even in the site which I've chosen, the children always play there. So what they
yeah
do is they go on to the small children who actually cannot even climb the height of the jogging track. They go from the staircase, they climb the jogging track and they jump down. So that is one
mm,
thing that we can include, that we can include a lot of level differences where children can
right
enjoy.
right yeah right you should think back as to what you liked also as a kid because then you'll understand what kind of space you would look forward uh, to sort of enjoy right look at this okay इधर height ज़्यादा नहीं है so there is a possibility that maybe you're okay with the kid jumping off this ledge because there's no protection there right so and there is this bed of leaves which seems to be soft maybe there's grass under this so that really doesn't matter if you fall off so it's like some blocks put together have been created to create just an interesting plaything within the garden this is not a complete center or something by itself if you I don't know तुम लोग बॉम्बे से हो या क्या है सेंटा क्रूज में वो एरोप्लेन बना है ना वो वाला पार्क
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ उसमें भी there is a play wall okay there's a play wall which has been created which has got openings of different geometric spaces and kids can jump in and out move in and out of that wall it's just a wall uh, with all these kind of openings so you can jump on either side play around it maybe climb up a bit climb down that kind of thing so it's not only about providing a open space for kids to run around but it's also about creating these kind of interesting interventions which could challenge them in a certain way बोर नहीं हो जाते हैं फिर रोज सिर्फ भाग दौड़ करके बॉल किक करके it might get boring so you introduce these kind of interventions where they're forced to do certain things they want because you've provided this ledge obviously the kid is going to come and stand अभी कोई उसको रोकने में कोई मतलब नहीं है there's no way that you can stop a kid okay he's going to definitely come here I remember when as a kid when the first movies of the superheroes came out a lot of these American kids started jumping from their windows okay they actually broke a lot of ribs and fractured themselves but this is what happens they are going to try it अभी superman jump कर सकता है तो मैं भी try करने वाला हूँ get it and they can sort of enjoy that kind of feel in this kind of design okay any other observations
This is also many levels, and I think the structure is also made out of play. The whole design is made incorporating the play element.
right right now this is a very typical kind of garden kind of furniture right play area So there's a garden, there's a park, and then we have this here also. Bombay में भी बहुत जगह दिखाई देता है. Where probably you would climb up. There would be a rope sort of bridge where people are negotiating that rope bridge, go to the other place. Again, steps नीचे आ रहा है या तो slide आ रहा है. उसमें से you can slide and fall into the sand pit. Things like that. So all this we can see in the different joggers parks that we have here in the city as well. This is a metal structure, like you can see, all bolted and whatever form in place. So no, it's like quite lightweight to assemble in any area. चाहिए तो dismantle करके दूसरे जगह भी डाल सकते हैं. Things like that. Okay. Of course, then if you observe another thing is that it caters to sorry, it caters to a definite age group. अब यहाँ पे बड़े बच्चे जाके enjoy नहीं कर सकते. Okay, doesn't make sense. You understand? So you have to take that also into consideration as to who is your target audience, right? Here you have a tiny kid, a mother is taking care of that kid. So she probably cannot be left alone into getting into all this. So what is it that she can do? What is it that she can enjoy? Okay. There was that other one which I had showed you last time, but like I said, I really don't want to influence you too much with all this. Take care. So can we see your work now? What have you got for today?
Oh, okay. I'll
Hmm.
start.
Yeah, you can start or you can go by roll number, whatever it is. Decide for yourself.
I don't mind starting. I mean,
Start. You're able to share your screen?
yeah, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yeah. See, which is why I keep telling you कि तुम ये जो बार चार्ट्स और वो रोज चार्ट्स और सब लेके आते हो ना फैंसी थिंग्स they really don't make any sense independent. Okay. पहले वाले स्ट्रक्चर में हम लोग ने देखा राइट. आई एम श्योर they also studied कि मैक्सिमम सन कहाँ से आने वाला है, मैक्सिमम रेन कहाँ से आने वाला है, उस हिसाब से they designed everything, right? So when you did this for last time, now what
Yeah,
I want you to do is understand it and start building on it. Start
yeah,
sketching it.
yeah. I'm like,
Yeah, I'm just giving a general kind of instruction to the whole group. Yeah?
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Tell me. Go ahead.
yeah, so my site is in Warsaw only.
Hmm.
So if you look at the climate of Mumbai, it is very humid, first of
Hmm.
all, and also it's facing the sea. So one of the major problems that I think that I would face is humidity. So and also the temperature. The average temperature is mostly 30 to 32, and which is in May. So I don't think that is one of the major problems. But yeah, it has to be taken care of. Rainfall is majorly seen in July, which is also average. Again, because of the sea level, I think humidity is the major part to this. So if you look at the site, my site has contours because it is again located near the sea. So if you look at the slope, it slopes towards one corner. So one can have a catchment area over here, while rainwater harvesting could also be taken care of. This is how the site looks like. It is weird a bit. So if you look at the trafficking, the middle diagram shows the traffic conditions. So the area is, I mean, there are slums actually. So people don't really follow rules. So they go zigzag. So like the bikers and all, like वो Activa पे होते हैं और KTM और zigzag जाते हैं. So that has to be taken care of. I mean, locating it somewhere पीछे is one could be one of the solutions. These are very rough very rough drawings. I don't know why it is cropped here. But yeah, if you so one thing I really want to bring in is the sky gazing to be on the northwest facade because the winds are going to be coming from there. My garden, the library, I really want to put to the in the northern direction because there's going to be a, a static or one uh, light throughout the day. So what I thought of is something this way. My this thing sky gazing actually, so it's a 2 floor or a 3 floor building. The roof over here is slanting so that I could have a rainwater channel over here. Toilet is the whole structure. I forgot to tell about. It could be of bamboo or concrete because most of the buildings we see in the coastal areas are actually the material used is concrete or bamboo. Metals are not used because of humidity. Again, the moisture, it would rust.
Right.
Yeah, concrete is basically is usually preferred, but because bamboo it acts very well in humidity. It keeps the place cool. Bamboo is a very cool element to play with. So I really thought that I would go with that. So this is how I want my space to be. It's quite rough, but if you look at it, there's a kind of play. So here I want the library to be. So in order to reach a particular place, you cross through different levels, and also the sky gazing area. I really wanted to go through the library because one could. So there are people like me who don't really like to read books. So one would be forcefully going through that area in order to reach the sky gazing part. So like, and also there would be a light from the library area reaching the sky gazing area. So I don't think so that would be one of that would cause any problem. There would be spaces, chotu spaces like we in the earlier examples we said that would not allow the adults to pass through it because one of the major things that I see and which my mom even my mom does is they go with the child under and they I mean they don't get their own space. I mean बोलते मम्मी के ये कर वो कर उधर जा. So I think that is
Yeah.
what I really wanted to incorporate, and the ground facing the north side. That's it.
Yeah. So, I mean, I think it's good for a start. It's really good. Uh, what I would like to say is when you choose your materials also, um, even if you want to go with bamboo, I'm not sure, but even if you want to go with bamboo, we are looking at a learning through RCC, which is fine. I mean, you really don't have to uh, stay. ये कौन सा PPT है? Neil का है. We have to share it for him. Okay. So, yeah, so think about that. Think about that materiality. Also, if you want a space where which sort of serves kids who are not interested in reading, maybe you can look at an audio kind of facility, or animated books kind of some kind of provision. I don't know what, because even if you see British Council Library में audio facility भी दिया जाता है. So you can actually play. Uh, you can borrow instead of books. You're borrowing video cassettes and you're watching Shakespeare. You're watching whatever other plays, other things, and then you can learn that way. It doesn't always have to be kitab and turning so many pages or whatever. So, and especially for that generation, the way to get them encourage on the way to encourage them to read, you can always look at different ways of doing it. So, so yes, another important factor is that as an architect, as a designer, when you introduce these kind of things, you're also taking on the role of being creative in something else as well. So suppose I'm looking at, for example, if I'm constructing some mundane thing like an office building, but I can try and introduce a culture in which way the uh, the employees use the space. Okay. So I'm forcing them to do certain things and I get them into that kind of culture because I feel that is a more conducive environment that I'm creating for work to happen in that. Like say for example, if I'm creating like a vertical green wall and I say, and it has to be कि वो employee सुबह आता है वो पानी डालता है. Okay. So you are creating that kind of, you're imbibing that kind of culture that the person is responsible for the environment in his work. Get it? So I mean, I'm just giving you an ad hoc example, but I'm just what I'm trying to tell you. So you inculcate a kind of way of life from the design that you have created. It's a good way to do it.
Okay. Yeah, I'll surely look into what all you have described and maybe incorporate it in a better way.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, you can do that. So look at that. Look at even developing that design brief that we have given you in an innovative way. That's a basic thing that we have provided. You're free to play with. Okay.
Yeah.
So now start developing. Like I said, so I like that idea that you begin as a whole. Okay. What happens when I start drawing plans and छोटा छोटा I'll say like ये रूम इधर है फिर मैं टॉयलेट इधर दूँ फिर ये टॉयलेट इधर से दूर हो गया फिर यहाँ से बच्चा उधर जाएगा टॉयलेट के लिए फिर वो लाइब्रेरी के लिए वो 2 फ्लोर चढ़ेगा आई डोंट वांट यू टू गेट इनटू दैट चढ़ने दे ना चढ़ने दे जाने दे but how will you make him do it? How will you encourage him to do it? That's why I think of the project as a whole. And this are such whole system of how it works together. Then we'll see what.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next.
Can I go next?
Yeah. Sure. Every time we come to class now, तुम लोग फिर pick up कर लो 1, 2, 3, 4.
So since last time I had a few pointers missing from my study, so I have tried to first study them. So as I said last time, the approximate area, the area where I can build is 2,500 square meter. So this is the basic context plan of
Correct.
the house, where you can see that there's a raised jogging track and there's a space in the center where I plan to build my structure. And yeah, here this is the way where my house goes, and this is the colony entrance. So we actually have 3 entrances to the colony. This is one, and there's another to the third side that is equally distant like this. Then this is the center entrance and this one, but we actually have closed the 2 entrances at the side because of security reasons. We could not hand monitor who is
Middle
entering and
semester, correct.
exiting.
Yeah. Right.
So we close 2 entrances where
Right.
people can just walk through from them, but you cannot enter with vehicles from there.
Right.
So this is the main entrance, and so yeah, this actually makes the colony pretty safe for children to play. Like there's no harm in even playing till 1 or 2 in the night also.
Okay.
So this is how far it is from my house. And this is the section where the slide is slightly contoured towards the southern part, and this is the jogging track. This small thing that you can see is an open drainage line where all the water from the entire colony whenever it rains goes through those channels. So these are some pictures of the ground from different views. So this is one gate, and this is from a building that is this building, so it is from the third floor of that building, and this is the ground. This is how the grill and the wall is made,
Okay.
and this is the entire view. Like this for the second picture is from the building. You
Taken
can see
from
the
there.
fifth
Okay.
picture.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is view
Nice.
from all
It's a huge place. Yeah.
yeah. And then this is something, this is the SketchUp thing I made. These are the trees. So actually there are a lot of trees. So these trees outside, which in the first drawing, are the trees which are planted in the exterior of the site, like outside the compound wall, but they actually provide shade in the interior because of their foliage. And these are the ones which the municipal corporation plants, and these 5 trees are actually planted by a person who lives in this house. So
Oh,
he
okay.
he wanted, like, he is
Hmm.
he has marked his trees with 3 colors की, पूरे कॉलोनी में वो कलर के जो भी ट्रीज है वो उसने प्लांट किए हुए हैं ऐसे. And
Uh,
yeah, and these trees inside are actually planted by us, so to give that look to the ground. So usually, like, the most number of trees are ashoka trees, which don't have a lot of foliage but they go straight up.
correct.
But then there are some trees, like, we have neem tree as a medicinal thing, and we have pilmohar, we have gulmohar. So during spring, the gulmohar, like, we have actually planned of how the ground will look after the trees grow up, which have, like, the trees haven't grown up
Very
entirely
good.
because this ground has started approximately 3 to 4 years ago, so the trees haven't entirely grown up. But then, when it's spring, you can actually see the oranges between the greens of the gulmohar and yellows of pilmohar. So we have actually 2 grounds in the colony, and both of us have been planted in the same way by us. So yeah, this is one thing. Uh, So these are the some services that are actually already there on the ground. These are some benches.
Very
So
good.
as you could see on the in the drawings where I had marked trees, so these benches are actually placed in the places where the shade of the tree is, so that you can comfortably sit anytime during the day. There's this central pole which provides the light in the evening. There's a rainwater harvesting pit, so I knew that there was rainwater harvesting pit, and when I went there after the last class, and so, like, I wanted to see how it is functional. So the watchman told me that उन्होंने बना दिया है, like, the ground is under the colony management, the panchayat. So उन्होंने बना दिया है, बट कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं डाला है, सिर्फ पानी भर जाता है और हफ्ते भर में सूख जाता है, अंदर चले जाता है,
Oh,
वो
okay.
सीप हो जाता है. So this is one thing, and there's a DP unit at the corner which provides, like, distributes electricity to
Correct.
this L of the colony.
Right. Right.
So this is they are actually also building a tabela over here for, like, 2 cow. They are planning to keep 2 cows over there. So that is a plan.
That's very
So
nice,
this,
actually, trying to incorporate something like that even in your uh,
yes,
program also is very interesting. So you
yeah.
teach, like rainwater harvesting, I think is not actually functional, but even replenishing that water back to the ground is a big thing.
Yes, that is what
That
their motto was,
correct,
actually, to
correct,
replenish the groundwater. Because when they saw that, like, there is a lot of construction work going on currently in the colony, where people are rebuilding the houses, because this colony was established around 50 years back, so people are now getting into reconstruction.
right,
So like, when they go for digging bore wells, so they have to go very deep to find water.
very
So this was one motto of
right.
theirs, to get the rainwater harvesting pit there. So we saw in the section that there was a slope, and luckily it rained in the past 2 days, so I could study where the water was
Oh, very
accumulating.
nice. Okay,
So since the slope is towards the southern side, the water accumulates very easily, and the floor is so dampy that you cannot go in the central area now. Like, you'll slip as soon as you go. So
correct.
one thing, so we have that open drain just outside the site, so we can, put PVC pipes from in between the footpath, the jogging track, so that the water does not accumulate but goes outside directly, so the ground does not dampen too much,
Mm.
and the space is
Yeah.
still usable.
But you can also think of, go back to that slide. You can also
Yeah,
think of within your design trying to incorporate some way in which that, instead of putting it down to the drain, you can
yeah,
do something for the society, for this site yourself, right? And make the kids also a part of it, कि वो लोग उनके खुद का पानी रिसर्कुलेट करते हैं, and वही पानी उनको आता है to whatever, maybe water their plants or whatever activity you want to introduce for them, and then
yeah,
that kind of excitement that they have, that they are responsible for it and they have sort of achieved it. It's like, nursery
Yeah.
या junior KG में, you know, you write a
Yes,
write a
actually,
picture.
people in colony are
हाँ,
that kind of enthusiastic of
correct.
doing
Yeah.
something for the colony.
So,
Like the trees were actually built by a group of students only, the entire plantation thing. And it is not that they have just planted it. We have regular maintenance. Even in the lockdown, we used to meet and maintain those plants. So
okay.
that is one exciting thing that we
Yes.
can look at. Yeah.
So the real project अगर तू बनाता है and you actually put it into implementation, imagine how successful and how happy your society people will be, because now we're talking about just replenishing the groundwater, putting that water into the drain. But in a few years down the line, with the kind of the way that the climate is behaving, thanks to us, there is a possibility that we will we will have to depend on all these kind of basic resources ourselves. तो जो
Yes.
बारिश गिर रहा है वही पानी मुझे accumulate करना है, मुझे वही पानी यूज करना है all year round, you know, things
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
DMC is going to throw their hands up and say हमारे पास कुछ पानी नहीं है. You know, if we reach that kind of situation, you've already planned for it. And even when you design it here, Sahil, you can put it into implementation. Talk to the
Yes.
management, talk to the people in your society, and actually get it working.
Yes, yes. And one more thing, as we were speaking about that, one more thing that comes to my mind is I can also go into putting something related to garbage disposal, because here in Aurangabad we had an issue that the actual dump yard where all the garbage would go initially. So the people there suddenly started protesting. It was a political move, but people started protesting that you won't send garbage over here anymore. And since all the other areas that were barren lands were accommodated by industries, now looking at the amount of industries coming to Aurangabad, so there was no space. And for 3 months, literally, there was no garbage truck that came to our spaces, and we had to take care of our own garbage. So, like, there was literally garbage litter on every corner of the city. So, this is one thing which we can accommodate in the design also of including something related to garbage.
Right. Yeah. Good idea.
I don't know why this.
नहीं,
Yeah.
ये ग्रे पैच क्या आ रहा है स्क्रीन के ऊपर और मेरा भी कर्सर दिख रहा है.
So I have given you control, so you can.
Oh, that's why.
enter on.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how you can enter, like, from 4 sides in the colony, since there are 2 entrances to the ground. So there's a lot of connection, and we can also add or subtract entrances according to our need in the future.
Now, one thing about when you're looking at the children's center, you mentioned that there are benches there, so people will be, walking around there and whatever.
Yes.
And if you want to get the these students, the children to feel like they have a space of their own without being watched upon by elders, they always have that ego problem, na? I can
Yes.
take care
Yes.
of
Yes.
myself. I don't need you to watch over me. So
Yeah.
then you can come up with a really very interesting design where they are able to look and watch, कि ये बड़े क्या कर रहे हैं.
Something
तो
something
बच्चों को
that
kind
you
of
showed in the
yeah.
second example, where ऊपर से तुम लोग पेरेंट्स को देख सकते हो, बट पेरेंट्स तुम्हारे को नहीं देख सकते, kind of a thing.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, some fun thing, whatever.
Yeah. And then just a second. So this is a video I made for Sunpath. I'll play it. I don't know why it isn't playing, but it will play. I'll play it separately after the slideshow.
Okay.
So looking at the temperatures, I like I saw this chart, but I also have an idea of how the temperatures here are. So in it's just 2 months in the summer where it gets extremely hot, and you cannot step out of the house in the afternoons. But during other times of the year, it is just very normal. Like it's pretty normal. So
Right. So,
and
like I've been repeating myself 1,000 times, don't show me this chart independently.
sorry.
Okay.
So this is how the wind enters
Correct.
so I have actually reduced the number of arrows that come to the ground, because it has buildings and trees all over. So the wind that enters the site is very, very less, because usually the wind speed is very low here. It is not very windy all the time. and looking at the buildings which are there. So I actually experience it. I usually keep going there on the ground, so I experience it that वहाँ पे ज्यादा हवा नहीं चल, लाइक मैं मेरे बिल्डिंग के टेरेस पे हूँ तो अच्छी हवा चल
Correct.
रही है, बट उसी टाइम पे मैं ग्राउंड पे चले जाऊँ तो हवा नहीं फील होती है. So that is one thing. I am not showing this. So yeah, that is it. And this is the sun path video. I don't know why it is lagging so much. चल जा भाई.
साहिल तेरे को शायद पूरा डेस्कटॉप शेयर करना पड़ेगा तो वो
हाँ वही कर रहा हूँ, वही कर रहा हूँ. So as you can see, at this time in the afternoon, it is very sunny on the ground.
Correct.
For 3 or 4 hours, it is very sunny, but during the morning and the evening, it's pretty cool. So this is what I've done until now.
Yeah. So you have to start now with your next step of
Yes, yes, yes.
conceptualizing.
Since I did not have this information in the last class, I
Correct.
took it to
You can
accommodate
use
this.
the time in the class to work. Okay. This is supposed
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
studio. ये हमारा studio है of sorts. So you are working in class. You can put your camera on. You can take out your paper. You can sketch in front of me. You can ask me. Because the studio is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who's going next?
Can I go next?
Yeah.
Can somebody share the
Share
PPT?
करना है.
Share.
How do you do this? See it? नहीं.
No.
See you अभी.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ, so
Yeah.
मैंने इस बार कॉन्टेक्स्ट प्लान बनाया पूरा, जिसमें वहाँ पे मतलब मेरी जो साइट है ब्लू कलर में, उसके बहुत वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस में, मतलब बहुत पास में
ये
दो
ना?
गार्डन है.
हाँ.
हाँ,
Okay,
वो साइट है, और वहाँ पे पास में मेरे 2 गार्डन है, और
Okay.
उसे कनेक्टिंग करने में मतलब जो रोड है
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
मतलब ज्यादा ट्रैफिक नहीं रहता यूजुअली, मतलब बहुत ही कम रहता है यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक वगैरह.
Okay.
इसलिए
Okay.
तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि पूरे साइट पे मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन करूंगा.
ये पूरा साइड ब्लू
मतलब
वाला
हाँ पूरा, क्योंकि
चलेगा.
वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक बहुत कम रहता है, और वहाँ से पास में ही गार्डन है, तो बच्चों को ऐसा भी नहीं कि यहाँ से निकले और वो आ गए, ऐसे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि
Correct.
सब पास पास में.
Correct.
सो कैन यू गो ऑन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, मतलब नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में.
Yeah.
सो
Neil has got some nice birds in his area.
yeah.
कौन से birds है? Sparrows.
Yeah, they are sparrows.
So sweet. हाँ.
Mamta, are you on next slide?
Yeah. Can you guys see?
Okay.
Can everybody see the next slide?
No.
No, I'm not able.
अभी?
Not yet.
अभी?
Yeah, now. So मैंने जैसे कि बोला था कि मैं पूरे साइड पे मतलब डिजाइन करूंगा बिल्डिंग, तो इसमें मैंने बहुत सारे ओपनिंग्स दिए हैं, मतलब जो बाहर साइड में, जो फ्रंट साइड में वो एक बड़ी विंडो दिख रही है ऊपर के फ्लोर पे, तो उसका मतलब यूज जैसे कि सुबह की लाइट जो रहती है, मॉर्निंग सन, वो वहां से आता है, क्योंकि और जो पीछे मैंने वो जो स्लोप दिया है उसके बैक साइड में, वो क्योंकि बिल्डिंग को ज्यादा हार्श सनलाइट नहीं गिरनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो हम बच्चों के लिए डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, सो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ज्यादा नहीं रहना. और वो बिल्डिंग का मतलब
कलर में मुझे ना क्या लगता है कि वाइट कलर सबसे ज्यादा मतलब ये रहता है, मतलब जो हीट को ये मतलब कुछ तो बोल। हाँ, तो इसमें मैंने मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जो मैं ऊपर जाने के लिए स्टेयरकेस वगैरह है, और जो मैं वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का है, तो मैं वहाँ पे एक ये बनाया सेंटर में नीचे, मतलब वो ड्राइंग में वहाँ पे स्टेयरकेस भी दिख रही है, और उसके बाजू में वो मैंने डार्क एच किया है, वो मतलब स्लोप है, मतलब स्टेयरकेस के बाजू में स्लोप, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि एज अ प्ले बच्चे वहां से नीचे भी जाएंगे और वहाँ पे खेलेंगे भी, मतलब पानी जाएंगे तो वो डायरेक्ट उस स्लोप के ऊपर गिरेगी, तो वो थोड़ा स्लिपरी हो जाएगा। सो दे विल मेक अ प्ले इन इट। और उसके साथ साथ वो जो अभी मोस्टली गार्डन में और प्ले सेंटर में ज्यादा मतलब फोकस नहीं करते कि वॉशरूम वगैरह होना चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि यहाँ पे इतने गार्डन है, 2 गार्डन है इन माय एरिया, सो देयर मस्ट बी एंड स्मॉल वॉशरूम टाइप। तो मुझे वो वॉशरूम डिजाइन करने का आइडिया वो मिल ओनर अहमदाबाद वाली बिल्डिंग से आया था, मतलब वहाँ पे वो कर्व वाले बिल्डिंग थे, और वहाँ पे
ठीक
वैसे
है।
वॉशरूम था, उसमें बच्चे प्ले कर सकेंगे कि ऐसी वॉल जा रही है, वैसी वॉल जा रही है, सो दे कैन प्ले हाइड एंड सीक। एंड आल्सो वो जो वॉल का प्ले है उसके साथ में हम अगर लेवल का भी प्ले लाए वो साइड पे, मतलब लेवल के प्ले के साथ वॉल का प्ले, तो मतलब वो एक अच्छा कनेक्शन होगा कि बच्चे यहाँ से कूद रहे, खेल रहे, और ऊपर जा रहे, ऊपर से स्लोप हो रहे, थोड़ा घूम रहे यहाँ से। और जो मैंने इस ड्राइंग में वो मुझे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे मतलब क्या डिजाइन करना है कि वहाँ पे बच्चे जब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाएंगे तो उन्हें एक ऐसे प्लेस मिले कि वहाँ पे वो शांत ऐसे एकदम, मतलब जैसे झाड़ की शैडो रहती है वैसे एकदम डार्क प्लेस हो, और इसलिए मैंने वो स्लोपिंग रूप मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा ट्रायंगल शेप में नहीं क्या, वहाँ पे एकदम कम सनलाइट गिरेगी, सो वो पोर्शन पूरा डार्क हो जाएगा। और उधर ही जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे वी हैव सीन दैट नेट, मतलब वो बच्चे ऊपर से नेट पे खेल रहे हैं, तो उस टाइप का मुझे डिजाइन करना है कि नेट पे खेल रहे हैं ऊपर से, और दे कैन सी देयर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो, मतलब ऊपर से नीचे खेल रहे, देख रहे हैं और घूम रहे हैं, ऐसे दैट टाइप। एंड द पिंक वन इज द मतलब विंड यहाँ पे मोस्टली साउथ की से आ रही है, और दैट मच ओनली, मतलब मैं ड्रॉ कर बैठा।
So then develop all these ideas that you have, right? Because now you've shown that staircase as a plan kind of a thing, right? It's not exactly in 3D. So start developing all these, start seeing how the form comes together, right? Do you really want it like this? Do you want to open up something here? What is it that you want to do? Huh? So develop it. So next time we can work on it more.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
I can see myself. Now I can see.
Yeah. So this is the Google Earth image of the site.
Right.
And then I made the context plan. So this is on the larger context, and I made the trees also. And so I went and measured the dimensions of the foliage of the tree and how tall they are. So this is the larger context, and this is a more closer context. So as you can see, there are contours also. So they are not exactly contours on the side, but it is raised on certain levels. So uh, in this section, you can see, so the whole site is raised almost 0.2 meters above the road, and on the side, only on the side, they are like ऐसे थोड़ा सा raised, and the middle part is sunken. So these are the photos of the site. So there, the first picture is from in the plan you can see. So the first picture is from the side, and this is the kind of entrance, and there's this big tree over there. So it almost covers the entrance. It's like you are entering into something it's covering it, and there's no light. Because of the foliage of the tree, it's very dark. And this is that building. So this building is like almost open, and the person can see inside what is happening in our plot. So So I don't know what I'll do over there.
Okay.
Then this is from the edge, another edge of the plot. So this
Okay.
is one, there's this another big tree on this side, and also there's one big tree on the other side. So there are two big trees. This is that same tree which was there in the other picture, and the second picture is of the other building. So it's like open from a little bit open from the edge, and then there's this whole blank wall, and this is the panorama of the plot. And in the second picture below, you can see the two buildings. So one building is like a plain wall, and the other building is having its windows and the jali kind of thing there. So I was studying the Windows diagram. So most of the wind is coming from west, and the other high winds which are coming up from northwest. So you can see I've marked it out. So I was thinking to organize my structure in this direction only because um, the other two sides, the north and the east side, are covered by the buildings. So
Right.
they have to be some sort. So the wind should come from somewhere. Otherwise, it will be very claustrophobic. Um, so these are the charts. So what I noticed was that May it's very hot, and there is this loo kind of situation, and it's mostly sunny in Rajasthan. So I have to incorporate that in my design.
Okay.
So this is the diagram which I showed last time also. So since the entrance of the colony is from the other side of the road, so I was thinking to give the opening. I don't know if you can see my cursor,
Yeah, we can see. We can see.
but I can't see my cursor myself, so I don't know.
Yeah, yes, I guess. Okay.
I don't know.
So this is a PPT or what is this? You can use that pointer, na?
I don't know what is happening. I can't see. Usually I can see my cursor, but abhi I can't.
Okay.
I don't know. So where the site is written, so I wanted to put the opening either from there because there's this whole big tree. So when you enter, it feels like you are entering into a small place because the leaves of the tree are coming very down also. So first you enter into a small place and then you go inside, you realize it's a much bigger space. So
Right.
then so for the children, it will feel like they're entering into someplace exciting, and the adults they won't be so comfortable because it's very low
Correct.
and that sort of a thing. So, I was writing my design brief, so I want the structure to come out of play. And since the site is in an extreme climatic zone, the structure should be climate responsive, and the spaces should be comfortable for children because the weather conditions are really extreme. So even when we were in school, we always used to feel कि इतनी गर्मी है, and we didn't want to go outside to play also.
Correct.
मतलब यूजुअली वरना गेम्स ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड आया तो एवरीवन वांट्स टू गो आउटसाइड एंड प्ले बट इट्स सो हॉट इन मे एंड जून डोंट वांट टू
Right.
गो आउट
Right.
एंड वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू प्ले पूरा पसीने में एंड इवन द गवर्नमेंट गिव्स अस हॉलीडे इन मे एंड जून so May and June are usually summer breaks, but in even in May when the schools are open, the government itself gives the holiday ki
Correct.
school
Correct.
karo
Of
varna
course.
because it's very
Yes.
hot.
It's very hot. Correct. So then that means you can set a kind of prototype with your design here, and you can even start selling it to schools over there. Okay, saying that create these kind of areas so that kids can come out and play. So you need to work a lot with landscape because that's what's going to keep or a microclimate in that area that will sort of cool down the temperatures of it.
Yeah.
And that see, like I said, when we do a site study, we are not only looking at just the wind and the sun and everything. Okay, this is common for everybody now. You're also looking at these kind of vistas, these kind of interesting points on the site that can create something exciting for the children. So she's talking about that heavy foliage that they have to pass through to actually come out into the open. So it's kind of building that surprise element, हाँ कि अंधेरे में टनल में से जा रहे हैं सडनली खुल के हम लोग ओपन में आ गए, राइट? So even if she looks at a transparent kind of structure which is taking into the light and the temperatures into consideration very intelligently, you can create that kind of thing, that they're forced to move through that small space and then they suddenly come out into a huge bubble kind of a thing. So I mean, you can look at it in different base. Even Neil, who went earlier, he was very strongly speaking about these two garden spaces which are close to the site. He's also talking about the fact that there's hardly any traffic. Okay. And when you look at that metal kind of thing that I showed you earlier, if he even builds some metal kind of connect from the site to these garden spaces, see he's talking about that closed structure and the wind coming in here and one side the sun is coming in. But you're also now letting these kids loose by giving a direct connect to one of these gardens which is running over the road or whatever it is. Traffic तो ज़्यादा है नहीं, लोग भी ज़्यादा है नहीं. So ये kind of thing connecting where they are allowed that movement and they come out into that open, can also be built. It's not कि तुम सिर्फ साइट के बारे में सोचो, तुमको एक कनेक्शन देना है तो वो भी डिजाइन कर सकते हो, वो भी ऐड कर सकते हो तुम्हारे लिए. Okay. So yeah, so Tanvi, that I think you can build upon that idea very well, that you're moving through this constricted space and then you're just, out in the open and you've given them that freedom. You also have a blank wall which you can use interestingly as part of your structure because kids need all the space uh, to experiment with, draw and color with. So you can even, somehow bring that within the whole thing. And then because you've created somewhere, the wall भी थोड़ा shade में चला जाता है. So it's going to be comfortable for the people behind that wall also, who are hit by that sunlight for a long period of time. You understand? तो उनका भी temperature कम हो गया, हमको भी advantage हो गया because we're getting a blank wall to fool around with, allow the kids to play with, that kind of thing. So this kind of contextual understanding and how you can use it to your most advantage is what is very important. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so even I have also written about using playful colors and incorporating the trees in design because as you saw earlier, so there's so many trees on the other side and there is blank wall on the other side. Mostly it is going to be a cool environment, but when we raise the structure, it will receive some sunlight also. So it's not always in the dark.
So we see what to do with it, how to do it once you build up.
Yeah. So, and I also looked up from last time when we were discussing. So I also looked up many case studies on how to keep the building cool. So like most of the things with almost all of the points which I came up was the terrace garden kind of a sort because it cools down the building since the heat is absorbed by the garden and high ceilings, then window orientation to catch the breeze, shutters, overhangs and louvers. And I read something interesting about the water evaporation from water sprays and water paths. So I was thinking, even if there is a garden, then also you have to water the garden, so that can also act. Both of them can work simultaneously and keep the building cool. And the seventh, and the double skin facades with jalis and the traditional stuff. Traditional stuff with them, yeah. So I'll work upon that and maybe choose 2-3 points from these and make it as cool as possible. So like I was working on the basic design of the idea, and since the wind is coming from this direction, and I decided to give the entrance here under the tree, and kind of give it a very flowy structure, not very rigid thing, because I feel if it is flowy, so it will be more inviting to the children. And since there are no sharp edges, they'll also feel more comfortable and not scared of hurting themselves. So maybe with the basic circulation, I was just working on the basic form.
Right.
So this kind of a form. So maybe there's a ramp. So I have not decided a lot yet, but I was just working on making the form interesting. So maybe you enter from a ramp, and the whole ramp is like a terrace garden, which I showed earlier. So something kind of that, and then there's spherical volumes instead of keeping it as a whole. So there's different units are as cylindrical volumes, and you can maybe one of them is a library, one of them is a toilet, and you can even go on their roof and see नीचे ऊपर से नीचे पूरा, and the whole structure below doesn't have a definite shape. So I was working on that kind of a plan. And this is the night sky, so like I said, if you see 6:30, it's pura almost blue. There's no stars or anything, and even at 8 o'clock there are no stars. So pura wo aise hi blank sa sky is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stars nahi dikhte, clear night mein stars.
No, Not, you can't see stars before 10 or 10:30 because
Oh,
तब
okay.
के room का lights are on and
Light, right,
there's so
correct.
much light
Yeah.
and noise of the light, you can't look in the sky.
Right.
It has to be a clear sky, then only you can see.
Correct,
But
correct.
before, I don't think before 9 or 10 you can look at the stars. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay. So everyone needs to get about writing that brief, हाँ? आज तुम लोग brief लिख दो.
And
Who's going?
I wanted to ask, like, what exactly needs to be in the brief? So, does it have to be only text, or should it be supported with sketches?
You can support it with sketches, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, so should I go next?
Yeah.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so last time I did not have any work. Like I had only the Google Earth
Mm.
image. So
Correct.
this was the Google Earth image. This is
Mm.
my home.
Mm.
This is a already well developed garden here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you mentioned. Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, so I had a interest in building over here, but then I saw this area also. This
Okay.
is like यहाँ पे एक मंदिर है और ये पूरा एरिया मतलब वेस्ट हो रहा है एक्चुअली
Right.
मतलब
Right.
यहाँ पे एक ग्राउंड था बट देन दे डिडंट मेंटेन इन एंड मेंटेन किया नहीं उन लोगों ने और यहाँ पे सब अभी ग्रास वगैरह जंगली ग्रास वगैरह ग्रो हो गया है तो
Correct.
कोई ये साइड तो कोई आता ही नहीं और ये साइड मंदिर है इसलिए मोस्टली ये जो लोकेलिटी के पीपल है
Mm.
सारे यहाँ पे बहुत हेवी मतलब बहुत लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे ये साइड से बट दिस साइड रिमेन्स ऑल एम्प्टी सो this was like a try to show the density of the people. So the Mandir area is I actually yesterday went there and spent
Mm.
30-40 minutes there in the Mandir, like sitting there,
Mm.
just sitting there. I usually don't go to the Mandir, but yesterday I went and uh,
Sat and
then
meditated. Please, Corona लेके जाओ ऐसे. What did you do?
huh?
What did you do? Did you sit and meditate and pray and
No,
say, please?
no, I just talked to the people who came there,
अच्छा.
elderly ones, mostly. So यहाँ पे सब वो यही लोकेलिटी के बच्चे आते हैं तो so this was how they density and this is how they choose to enter the site. Actually, it is open from all sides, but mostly they enter through the Mandir entrance or there is an open area here.
Right.
The kids mostly want to go away from their parents. Yesterday, I observed that the parents
Okay.
and the grandparents bring their kids here. They sit over
Yeah.
here, but the kids instantly run away from there and they come over here. So
Correct. Correct.
yeah, so they just don't stay in the Mandir area. I was there for 40 minutes and only one or two kids they were also crying to like they was if they were forced to stay here.
Okay.
So and this the corners of the site are mostly park मतलब ये आके लोग कार पार्क कर देते हैं because they don't have parking spaces and
Correct.
so they use as car parking area. This was
Mm.
the SketchUp thing.
Mm.
So so I just divided into public, private, and lanes, and which is there is a school here, kindergarten school here.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
So the site is like full of children actually, but the place is I don't think the place is used to its most by the children. Like,
Mm.
so there is one more temple here too,
Okay.
and these are some photos.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. So green.
या ये सब जंगली बच्चे आधे टाइम बॉल ही ढूंढते हैं उसमें
अच्छा है तो उसके ऊपर ही तुम डिजाइन बना सकते हो.
या द आई जस्ट अभी तन्वी ने डिजाइन ब्रीफ मेंशन किया ना तो
हाँ.
मेरे को एक आइडिया आया कि मैं जब गया कल तो ईच एंड एवरी किड न्यू द साइट वेरी वेल लाइक दे द
हाँ,
पेरेंट्स
उनको ही पकड़ो. हाँ.
नहीं, the parents allow them to like go away from the site also, like 2-3 लेन छोड़ के, या फिर they do cycling there. And जो well developed garden था ना, the kids actually go till there and come back. So and when I went there and they were looking at me like I was a new person. Actually, I am a new person in Aurangabad, but I want to create a space like they feel like this is not the regular place where they come every day. So like they should have that feeling which I had yesterday of going to a new place.
Correct. Yeah.
So like they should also scare like uh,
Hmm.
आई थिंक उनको वो जगह पता है तो वो डरते नहीं है, और वो मतलब सोचते भी नहीं कोई उनको देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा है. दे yesterday I saw a group of kids like beating up animals and all that. So but I want to have like they should have the feeling that someone is monitoring over them,
Oh, right.
and they are in a new
Should
place, so
have.
they should be like
They should have that somebody is monitoring them, or they should have a sense of freedom. What do you want to do?
I somebody is monitoring them. Like they should have that. उनको खुद से आना चाहिए कि उन जब नई जगह अपन कोई जाते तो we have that feeling ना कि we wait to express ourselves. We just observe first, and when we feel
Correct.
comfortable, then slowly we start expressing and becoming
Correct.
one with the place. So I want them like this is not the regular place where every day they come and do whatever they want. So first I want them to observe the place fully and then accordingly start expressing. So this is the like mandir ka backside. So
Okay.
yeah. So I have worked this much only.
Okay. So you have to bring me sketches, अभी
Yeah.
क्लास अभी बैठ के काम करो.
हाँ, sketches और वो सब अभी डिजाइन भी चालू.
हाँ, डिजाइन चालू करो.
हाँ.
So if you observe, each one of you have some kind of conditions embedded in the site. Each one of you already has some idea embedded within you because you have probably grown in that place or you've been in that place and you're coming out with these kind of concepts. कि this should be done. This should be done. Summer में school बंद होता है. Very high temperature. You don't want to go out and play, but you really should be getting out of the house without being in danger of fainting in that high levels of heat, right? So you already have these kind of strong sense of understanding with the site and with what should be happening. And I think that's going to help you come out with really very interesting and challenging kind of design. So you guys should like really build on that. Don't get bogged down by the wind direction, the soil control. Don't get bogged down by those technicalities. Try and use them to your advantage. Okay. Don't get restricted by all of that. Yeah. Who's going next? Yeah.
Is it visible? This was the last time I showed like the plan of the
Yeah,
plan of
एक
the site.
सेकंड ना, ये फोर ग्रुप से कुछ एक सेकंड. अच्छा ठीक है nothing. ठीक है. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so this was this site plan just for last time, like and this is the section. It is a contour site and yeah. The zoning. I'm basically building a brief on the housing colony near the site, and also there is a garden. So like even though the site is comparatively small, but there is a garden to like which gives an open space to the children. This is the climatic analysis which I did. So the mostly in a coastal area it is humid. So even though temperature is 20, it feels 25 or something. There is a difference of five to
All right.
4 to 5 degrees. Yeah. So this was uh, uh, the proximity of the sun. I mean, it is from the site. With like the transport, the
Yes.
the bus
Correct. Yeah.
services and the housing
Yeah.
colony and the garden, also the cultural center and the primary school. These were some of the images. It is a contoured side, and yeah. So even there is a well at the end. This is the well. This time I made a context plan of like a larger context. So the site is heavily contoured and is like um, the site is near the base of that those the
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Mm.
So this time I did some research about the local
Very
local
good. Very
like,
good.
yeah, so this is a book, Building with Earth. So I was thinking of using Adobe Construction for Adobe with RCC or something for construction, and there are laterite stone quarries 20 kilometers from here, so it is easy to find laterite too. Mostly the construction here is in laterite stone, which is of 200 by 400 of the stone. And I was thinking of using incorporating lime plaster for humid for this humid climate. Uh, these are some of the houses from my hometown, like home. It is like 20 kilometers from the city. So I observed that there are these cantilevered balconies protruding from the main structure, um, because there is this heavy rain. So uh, mostly people tend to approach it. This is about 40 to 50 years old house there. Uh, then there is a second one. I try to analyze all the aspects of these. Like there is a small courtyard in between this house. Uh, yeah. And I found that tackle the humidity, I found this kind of uh, the jali kind of
Nice.
thing,
Pretty interesting.
with
Yeah.
earthen
Yeah.
parts. So I
Correct.
was thinking of incorporating this design. I'm still kind of researching about this. Like yeah. Also, I want to focus on the Adobe construction, because in city it is a lot more concrete and all, uh, everything is plastered, and yeah. So in when we move outside the city, there are these urban homes. This is just an example, but there are these urban homes which uh, and also there is a sense of community building in those homes. There is the plastering of those walls with the mud. So I would I wanted to incorporate those aspects into the children's play area. Uh, like they should know how to get dirty and use the mud. And these were some of these sketches which I for initial thing, uh, as it is a contour. So so um, uh, cutting the thing and filling it to level up the means there should be less cutting and yeah. And in the section which it was the initial one, but uh, uh, I provided the jali wall with
Okay.
longer these things. So like the air dehumidifies and kind of enters the dwelling, and then
Right.
also there is this is cross ventilation through the building. Yeah, so I thought of these.
I mean, now you've shown me this section. हाँ, सीधा सीधा वाला ऐसे like a building.
Yeah,
Varma has shown some
this was just to study the
correct, correct. but you will build up on this, right?
Yeah.
So I think you have sort of let's say built up on your idea quite firmly. I think it's going in the right direction. You're talking about your Adobe, you're talking about how
It's
to,
very good.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Mm. So right. So I think you've gone about it the right way. What I don't want you to do is restrict yourself, like I've been telling everybody. Even this previous image which you've shown, it's very interesting way that the structure has been done. Though I'm not sure किसने बनाया है, but I think you should also explore how to use that material to the maximum. Huh? You're looking at these small bit parts where you're saying, okay, electric stone, Adobe, then you're saying making use of that, you know, what were those things? The clay material which you're using to reduce the temperature. Yeah, that's like, yeah, you're talking about all these things, but how to now bring everything together is what you have to focus on. हाँ तो अलग अलग चीज ये तुमने सोचा है वो अच्छी बात है, nothing wrong, it's good, but like I said, I want to see you sketching something in which you're bringing everything together. Don't look at it in separate parts.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. Good. Any questions you have?
Like use of Adobe, like to that can we use, or like it is only RCC and like break and all, like
See, no, you can use Adobe. What I'm trying to say is, हम third semester में we are trying to focus on RCC because that's what you're supposed to be learning, right? So alternate methods of construction is not out. You can still use it. Maybe you can look at framing it in RCC and then using that Adobe, which will
thinking of
probably mean, that you have a freedom.
I was thinking of using RCC as the frame and just
Correct.
those partitions and
Yeah.
these things with Adobe or that, right? Like, or the combination of the two.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. I think you guys have now at least got the idea of कैसे start करना है, क्या करना है. तुमको वो समझ में आ रहा है, तुम बाकी के specific to ideas, concepts जो है वो भी तुम लोग सोच रहे हो. I think it's good. You guys are really progressing very well, I would say. I would say for second year, this level, an online class, you guys are doing a really good job. Really good job. Yeah. Who's next?
I'll go next.
Yeah. Kshitij.
Can you see the screen? Hello.
Yeah, it's coming. आ गया.
Okay, so this was my site, which is located behind the two cluster of buildings. So this
yes.
was
This
is the
correct.
context layout. So there are two openings to the society, and this is the back side of it, like
Okay.
पीछे से जो बंद रहता है usually. This is the context model. And this is the site which has a tree inside it, and there are other more vegetation around.
Okay.
So the plot is connected with a gutter system, and also it's like a footpath जिसके नीचे वो gutter है पूरा. एंड दूर यहाँ पे मतलब एक सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट भी है जो पूरी सोसाइटी का वहाँ पे मतलब कनेक्टेड है. सो ये लाइट स्टडी है जो लाइक लाइट स्टडी ड्यूरिंग समर्स एंड विंटर्स. सो प्लॉट पे कभी भी शैडो नहीं गिरता दोनों, मतलब समर्स में भी विंटर्स में भी, बिल्डिंग्स का मतलब. सो इट्स अ वेल प्लॉट. दिस इज द वेंटिलेशन.
Okay.
ओके सो डिजाइन ब्रीफ के लिए मैंने सोचा अभी जो ये रोड्स है दिस इज अ 13 मीटर वाइड रोड एंड दिस इज अ 3 मीटर नो सॉरी 10 और 8 मीटर्स वाइड रोड सो यहाँ पे यूजुअली शाम को बहुत बच्चे लाइक फुटबॉल या फिर क्रिकेट खेलते रहते हैं सो मतलब एनीवेज दिस इज अ chaotic प्लेस एंड सो व्हाट आई थॉट वाज कि स्ट्रक्चर में वेरिंग लेवल्स ऑफ प्रिवेसी होगी मतलब नीचे से ऊपर नीचे ओपन स्पेस रहेगी या फिर जो जहाँ पे बच्चे खेल सकते हैं या फिर घूम सकते हैं भाग सकते हैं वैसे एंड एज यू गो अप वो लेवल ऑफ प्रिवेसी कम होती जाएगी ताकि एंड ये जो रेड लाइंस बनाई है तो यहाँ से पीछे ऑलमोस्ट सारे वो कोकोनट के वाडीज एंड वो सब है सो इट्स मतलब पीछे के साइड पे रियली पीसफुल एंड ये साइड पे काफ़ी क्राउडेड है क्योंकि शाम को वैसे भी काफ़ी ऐसे लोग बाहर निकलते हैं एंड बच्चे खेलते रहते हैं so yeah तो also I was thinking of using mezzanines मतलब प्ले लेवल के साथ प्ले करने का ताकि जैसे यू गो अप एक तो धीरे धीरे ऊपर जाएंगे एंड प्रिवेसी भी वैसे ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज होगी आगे के साइड
So that's like a concept, you know, of yours when
yeah
you say that you're moving from the private to the less private, okay?
yeah
And then your design can start sort of addressing this kind of idea of yours. So this is
yeah
what each one of you needs to do. Build up on that kind of idea that you have.
hmm या सो लाइक नीचे के जो फ्लोर्स है वहाँ पे कुछ chaotic एक्टिविटी बच्चे कर सकते हैं एंड एज यू गो अप यू कैन डू मोर पीसफुल एक्टिविटीज लाइक रीडिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट या सो प्रोग्राम अभी के लिए मैंने वही सोचा है ओके
Sketches बनाया है?
नहीं
Who's next?
या, ना
Hmm?
नहीं
Oh yeah, we finished seeing all of them.
नहीं
Mamta, I'm remaining, so
Ah,
I'll just.
yeah.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the plot. It is located in Pune, near Swargate. The specific area is Maharshi Nagar, and it is surrounded by different. So this is the formal plan that I had. It has a lot of trees, but my site specifically, which is 1044 square meters, has only one large tree, which has the trunk
Okay.
has a diameter of 2 meters. So that is
Wow. Okay.
yeah. So the context, the plot is a part of a larger plot, and the neighboring plots are housing projects. The
Hmm.
maximum height around the plot is 12.5 meters, and
Hmm.
the socio-cultural context shows maximum Jain and Hindu communities belonging to the middle and the upper middle class that reside around the plot. So the natural form also takes about so maximum vegetation. There are like 7 trees around the plot in the that open area that is I'm talking about. The wind is and hence the wind is already treated when it enters the plot, my site, and the soil has a good amount of moisture and humus content, and the land is quite flat with less undulations. So the wind and the ventilation. So
Yeah.
the dotted here are actually the obstructed ones, which can be collected from a height, but not at the lower levels because of the buildings of the
Okay.
Mahada building. But once these are continuous, that can be connected. So uh, I think I have done. I'll show you later. Where east से भी हवा आती है, but थोड़ी आती है. That is there. So the sun path in the summer and in the winter. So I think winter में भी जो harsh sunlight है वो ज़्यादा आएगी नहीं building में, because there are these informal. Can you see the cursor?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so the informal settlements है थोड़े इस side पे. Informal in the sense they're not like slum. It's just that the land is in dispute, so people have just come there claiming that it's their land and started living there. There. So यहाँ पर there are housing, so probably direct harsh light नहीं आएगा उसमें से. So that is
Okay.
there.
Okay.
And this is the graph. Probably you don't want them, but yeah, just put it.
See, why I don't want them is, see, हम लोग ना scientists नहीं है. Let me try and
हाँ,
explain this to you. Uh, so we are architects, we are designers. हम लोग
yeah,
कोई सिर्फ सब measure करके ग्राफ बना के हम उससे से कोई inference नहीं करने वाले हैं, right? Unless we get into
right,
that level of research. To
yeah,
get into
yeah,
that level of research, yes, we're definitely going to need all this. We are
yeah,
trying to just learn कि हमारा context में क्या चल रहा है और उस हिसाब से हमारा डिजाइन कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, right?
correct.
That's
हाँ,
why this thing cannot be seen independently. Like if you show me now
hmm,
these graphs, right?
hmm,
क्या फर्क, when I look at it, I mean, what am I going to understand from it? I can read it. Like
hmm,
as a science student, I can read and I can understand x axis पे ये लिखा है, y axis पे लिखा है, तो ये ऐसा है. But when you put that on site, bring it on site and put it on site, that is when, as a designer, I'll be able to respond. Get it?
okay, yeah, yeah, yeah,
वहीं
yeah,
पे जब वो सब क्लियर हो जाता है उधर ही, right? This is
right,
where I'm going to understand, like even the previous site that he showed, that's exactly where I'm going to understand the society वो बाजू में ये है तो ऐसा इधर shadow ही नहीं गिर रहा है, he showed.
hmm,
Any point of
right,
time तो shadow ही नहीं आ रहा है. So that is
hmm,
what I understand when I translate this onto that plan. Okay.
yeah,
So
okay,
how the hell am I going to use this to my advantage? Correct.
okay, yes,
That is
yes,
what is important. That learning is important. So wherever
yeah,
you put the graphs or whatever it is that you're doing, put it with the plan. Show me
okay,
diagrammatically with the plan. Okay. Because
okay,
I
okay,
know this is a trend which you're going to use through all the years. पीसी शीट में तुम लोग क्या करोगे, टेक्नोलॉजी शीट मुझे बनाना है तो तुम लोग चेकलिस्ट बनाओगे. I'm going to show Windows diagram, I'm going to show this bar chart, I'm going to show this. That's not technology. No, that's not getting to the wrong kind of realm when you look at this aspect. That's not technology. के साथ में जो तुम implement कर रहे हो, जो inference तुम निकाल रहे हो, मुझे बता रहे हो, that is technology. That is then where the basis of the entire design will be. Okay, that's
yeah, yeah. So I mean, with the graph, I inferred कि सबसे
yeah,
uncomfortable months will be the May and the April month.
correct.
So that is there. एक मिनट, ये आगे क्यों नहीं जा रहा?
तो वैसे तो मुझे बताओ, if you go to your mom, okay, तो ask your mom, गर्मी कभी होती है? Don't you
हाँ,
think your mom can't tell you कि सबसे ज्यादा गर्मी मुझे मई मंथ में होती है?
yeah, yeah,
She can also tell you that, right? This
yeah,
is what I'm trying to say. कोई जरूरत
okay,
है इतना बड़ा बार चार्ट
हाँ,
का
हाँ,
understanding
yeah,
है. Anybody can tell you, especially she's going to be, I don't know, things have changed these days, but mostly it's the mothers who are working in the kitchen, right?
yes,
And
yes,
it's the worst time for them to be
in
making
the
those
kitchen,
rotis in the
yeah,
summers. It's
yeah,
it's terrible. It's really terrible.
yeah.
So they are the
So
ones who can tell you. यार वो लोग बताएंगे. तो मत करो ऐसा डिजाइन में को. If you design a window for me, a huge window for me in the kitchen, make sure that in summer months you put something out there which will give me shade.
cover, yeah,
You
yeah,
don't want that light, right?
mm,
And we
mm.
always have here so Vastu, then we start bringing in Vastu principles. And we say kitchen has to be in the Ishanya direction. Yes, it has to be Ishanya. That is the east. We know that because
Yeah,
that's the diffuse light. We don't
yeah,
want much light. You're getting up early in the morning. You really don't want to switch on a tube light and start working in the kitchen. So you're happy with that kind of diffuse light. But nobody's thinking about summer months में क्या करूँ?
mm.
When you have buildings all over you, हाँ, ये तुम्हारा वास्तु never talks about buildings around you. Vastu is talking about only your side. Very
Your
nice.
building, yeah,
बिल्डिंग बाजू में बिल्डिंग में व्हाइट कलर लगा है and the bloody sun is reflecting back on you. It's the best. You know, this is what I'm trying to say. That's why don't think independent. Get it?
okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Go on. Go
And
on.
this is the site, so that is there. And
Yeah.
I took the
Exactly.
example of this.
So Tanay, what I
Hello.
want you to do, you and even the previous, you have to try now. There's so many trees.
Yeah,
Such a lot of trees.
yeah,
There's grass. There's opening. Levels are happening. You need not
yeah,
even intervene anywhere on the ground.
yeah, yeah,
सब तेरे trees है. Anyone, I mean, are open to this, but because you don't want to disturb what is happening on the side, you
yeah,
need not
yeah.
just plonk intervene at that level. You can look at intervening at a slightly higher level, moving up to different kind of this thing, and then where you have an open space or whatever, bring your structure down to that level. You can
So
really create interesting scenarios. Yeah.
Yeah, so actually the tree is almost 12 to 13 meters high.
हाँ
So उतना ऊपर तो मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगा for the kids
हाँ
play area.
that's
So
okay. अभी जब जब तुम पेड़ दोगे ना, when that tree is on your side, you
yeah,
tell me one thing कि तुम कोई स्ट्रक्चर बनाओगे, कोई जाने वाला स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर नहीं
नहीं,
जाएगा, पहले बैग फेंकेगा नीचे and they'll climb onto the tree. That's
yeah,
what you're
yeah,
going to do,
yeah,
for sure. Okay,
yeah,
so you have to understand these things. Okay?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So and एक minute, did the slide move? एक minute, I need to. एक minute. So I took the example of these wind towers in Anbar in Iran.
Right, right.
So I was thinking of using these wind towers to collect because I am not getting wind from the
Correct.
west direction. So I'm thinking to use these wind towers where, and I also wanted to use terracotta bricks. Like the framework will be of RCC, and the bricks will be terracotta bricks, so that it allows evaporation and cools the building down. For like
Yeah,
it is
yeah,
in this image, like
right.
particularly like you have the kanat niche, that is the water flow, and the hot air comes in and then it goes and it becomes like that. So
Okay.
something like that.
Also, all of you
Yeah.
who have high temperatures, even Tanvi and Jaipur, try and look at introducing vegetation. Try and introduce maybe water bodies to be able to bring in that, like I said, create that microclimate in your area that will pull down the temperature.
Yeah.
Try to create that vegetation, that foliage. Sahil is talking about कि वो खुद plants grow करेंगे. So imagine when you give the kids the place where they can grow their own sapling. Saplings will slowly grow. Create that kind. They can create different kind of hedges. You can have some nice vertical wall with different vegetation happening. That itself is casting a shadow on your side. You don't need some a building to cast a shadow on you. Things like that. There are many various ways in which you can work around within your site and create that conducive environment.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
and this is the general. I was just sketching. I mean,
Yeah.
very rough ones.
Okay.
But I thought of using these the wind tower and have a circular staircase around it because of the first year heavily influenced by that circular staircase. But yeah,
Okay.
using that circular staircase around this and creating a platform on the third floor. I mean, on the about almost 14 meters above the ground, so that I get the open space, and that is where the night gazing area could be, or the star gazing area could be.
Yeah.
And I was so these are the things I want to include in the thing. So the tower ends with a platform used for night gazing. The structure should have rainwater harvesting, which in which the water will be collected. The collected water will be used for a pond and storing under the wind tower, so it helps in cooling. So yeah, and the privacy looks hazy with the slits. So I was thinking of not having a proper closed structure, but there will be areas that will be closed, but it will have certain slits, and it won't be completely opaque. Anything, something, it will be translucent, something like that.
Sure.
And the roof will also be translucent and transparent because I already have diffused light that is coming on my side. If I again cover it, will be completely dark, which will be useless. So I was thinking to give it a translucent thing.
Sure.
And I want this to happen. The inside goes outside and the outside goes inside. Because the tree actually helps me to connect the two things, and that
Yes.
is what I want
Yes.
on the thing.
Yes. Very much.
And the louver panels, I wanted louvers to be there because in the summers sometimes the tree loses the leaves and वो जो foliage है वो बहुत कम हो जाता है, so probably the louvers will help me to actually control the light that enters the slit, the area which is opaque. And I
तो
tried some
समर में foliage क्यों कम हो रहा है?
because desert मतलब it's not a this na evergreen tree.
Sheds is okay.
हाँ sheds the leaf.
But it's shedding it in summer, not in autumn.
No, it sheds. मैंने जहाँ तक observe किया, it sheds in summers. मतलब dry हो जाता है, shed in the sense dry हो जाता है, and then it becomes shrinks, and जितना foliage अभी इस टाइम पर होता है, like till September October, उतना नहीं होता है in April.
Right. Okay.
And I was planning of making the circulation a bit like a parikrama around the tree. So you enter and then you go round the tree and then hello.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
And yeah, it goes through, and the glass facade will be on the eastern side so that I get the diffuse light inside. And it also faces the open area where people, like the children, can see in the greenery and all those open spaces.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I wanted to have these bathrooms which are for everyone, not only for the children, but for everyone, because I see there is no public bathroom in the nearby area. So I
जब
wanted to create.
सिक्योरिटी का क्या करेगा, कोई बच्चा उठा के लेके गया तो?
So I was thinking
My first concern is always safety of kids. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
I if I can do that, then probably it will be in the starting of the circulation only. तो वो अंदर तक उतना नहीं होगा. And also the thing is कि आजू बाजू वो housing societies है ना, तो someone is always looking for, ऐसे typically balcony से देखते रहते हैं लोग. So
हाँ.
if something happens, so that is there.
Correct.
So yeah. So
Anyone
that,
else with any comments or anything? हमारे यहाँ अभी कौन बचा है? Who's absent today? तेजस आया नहीं आज.
नहीं.
Tell him to send it over ना. WhatsApp करो, कुछ भी करो. Send it to me.
He's having some electricity issue, like his phone is also dead, I think.
Okay. जब भी हो जाता है ना, तभी उसको बोल देना, एटलीस्ट व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दे, तो यहाँ पे चैट पे भेज देगा तो भी चलेगा.
Yes, yeah.
And Mamta, we made the redo folder in the
Okay,
files.
I'll check. Tomorrow I'll check. Thursday, Fridays I'm free, so all checking will happen on Thursday, Friday.
And I had one doubt regarding my site. So I don't have like a catchment area because uski surrounding में slopes है. So the whole thing in middle is having kind of a depression. So then if you look it like that, तो अगर rain होगा तो the whole thing comes in between. And वैसे but उसमें भी ऐसा है कि side में it's all sand and बीच में it's concrete का, तो side में तो it seeps the water also क्योंकि it's very thick. But in between it's full concrete. So what can I do in that? Like, what can I
You can
look?
give a slope to the concrete so that the whole thing collects there at one point, and वहाँ पे then you can take that water, or you can create like a fun kind of play area which is stepped, तो जो rainy season में वो पानी flow slope या steps में flow होके चला जाएगा, and the other seasons once it's cleaned, एक बार rainy season हो गया, clean कर दिया सब कुछ, then it can also club as a play thing for the kids.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
But depends on how much rainfall you're looking on. This time you guys had Jaipur, right?
Yeah,
you guys
yeah.
had terrible rains this time.
Yeah, it was flooded also because the drainage system of Jaipur is very bad. So it was most of the places were flooded. Even मेरे घर में ऊपर छत तक it was बहुत पानी भर गया. So ऊपर we have like a whole window on the terrace kind of a thing, whole glass thing. So water came inside also. So it got filled even above that level. So we had too much rain. So it can't be predicted because sometimes it's too much, sometimes it's very less. It's not there.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah.
Any
Mamta,
other question? Yeah.
Yeah, how do we exactly write a brief about this? Like brief exactly, like what do we write in that brief?
So like I said, this idea that you're going to build on is going to be your brief. Like someone said, inside, I want the inside to be outside, outside to be inside. That's the brief. That is what you're going to build on. Okay. So that is what you have to articulate in some sentence. That's going to be your brief. Okay. Maybe you want to then write how you're going to go about doing it. You can elaborate that we can do slowly over the week, over the next week, because that's going to come out of all this learning, correct? So first thing is that central idea of your project. That's what you're going to write. Have you understood?
Yeah. Thank you.
हाँ. Like हमने कैसे ideas का brief लिखा है? Go through our brief and see what is it that is the main component of the studio. वो हम लोग ने लिखा, correct? That's what we call as a brief. That's central idea, that's central focus of the whole thing. Then how we go about doing it, we will elaborate it. नीचे. हाँ, right, learning from observing, learning from surrounding, learning from designing, वो सब explanation हो गया उसका कि हम ये कैसे carry out करने वाले हैं, right? But that's the brief, is that central thing. Once you're done with the brief, you will also go into how you're going to develop that idea, that central thing. हो गया सबका? No comments, no questions, any more questions?
Mamta?
Yeah,
Mamta.
yeah.
So in the brief, we have given that it is given that 125 square meter of built area, but while designing, like it may exceed or it may like it will be
Yes.
less than that.
It can
So
be a little less. आगे पीछे उतना होने वाला है, but 125 का 25 मत कर देना.
yeah, no, but like but like how much can it exceed? Like what is the
125 का 150 बस. बहुत
Oh.
बड़ा कर दोगे तो हैंडल भी करने में डिफिकल्टी हो जाएगा ना. As you
Yeah.
go to higher classes, we are increasing your areas.
Yeah.
But see, another thing is that when you actually begin, like I said, begin with the development of it. And there's certain areas or certain spaces that that have to be there, that have to be incorporated, that you have to look at, right? And if that sort of exceeds it, there's no issue. There is no issue at all, right? Which is maybe like not the main program, but it is feeding into your program, and that is sort of pushing it a little bit. That's okay. That's not an issue.
Yeah.
But at least 125 to hona chahiye. That's the recommendation.
So the bathroom and everything, the washrooms will also be considered in this 125?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. So because of that कि वो उसमें ही बिठाने का है तो ऐसे कंजूस की तरह ऐसे टॉयलेट बना दिया ऐसा मत करो. Okay, it's okay. थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया. And that who's the person who's thinking of the toilets to also be public toilets? Try to design it in such a way that there would be some kind of segregation where the kids are protected.
Okay. Yeah.
But maybe that the fact that this play center also has its own set of toilets gives you that right to look at providing those toilets for everybody else. So how are you going to latch it on to your design?
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
this is a larger social thing that you're looking at कि मुझे सबके लिए भी toilets बनाना है, right? And what you can do then is not get into detailing that out, because next semester में जब तुम services के लिए public toilets करोगे, you can go back to this design and check and see what you can do for yourself.
Okay.
You may not use the same site or whatever it is, but I'm just giving you an idea because next term के लिए public toilets है ही सब. Correct. So then you can go back to your own site, your own design, and see how that can be incorporated.
Okay. Okay.
हेलो ममता.
Yeah.
वो जो रीडू का सबमिशन था तो मैंने उसे ने क्या फिर से असाइनमेंट के इसमें ही अपलोड कर दिया था. मतलब वो जो रीडू का सबमिशन है.
Just remind me then. Tomorrow will you remind me to check it?
Yeah, it is in assignment वाला thing. मतलब वो जो असाइनमेंट में हम अपलोड करते हैं वहाँ पे मैंने कर दिया था.
I'll check.
Okay, thank you.
So all of you will now work on the design briefs and submit them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we do it for the Sunday वाला जो submission slot है.
Design brief कब देना था?
हाँ मतलब इसी week का है ना. Like we submit Wednesday and.
आज Wednesday है ना? You're supposed to submit today.
No, we actually submit the entire ideas thing जो भी Monday का है and Wednesday का है on Sunday so that we get the entire week. But like मतलब जैसा हमारा discussion हुआ था अश्विनी से एक बार कि Wednesday को we take crits from our guide and then improve and finally उसको Sunday night को हम लोग finalize करके submit करते हैं.
तुम्हारा डिजाइन ब्रीफ सबमिशन तुम लोग संडे करोगे कहीं?
हाँ, आई थिंक ऐसा ही, मतलब अश्विनी ने अब तक कुछ बनाया नहीं है असाइनमेंट, तो आई थिंक वैसा ही होगा।
ओके ओके, तो फिर अभी का संडे व्हाट यू हैड टू सबमिट?
केस स्टडी
वो स्किन वाला जो केस
हाँ,
स्टडी।
स्किन वाला, ठीक है ठीक है, ओके। सो वर्क इन वर्क नाउ
Yeah.
because you still have a good whatever big slot till encounters begin. So
Yes.
you can get out of this if you want, so you don't use your data or whatever it is. And
Yes.
let's meet at what? We'll meet at 12 o'clock. Quickly,
Okay.
quick round up के लिए 12 बजे मिलते हैं।
Okay.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.